Welcome! Let's dive in and solve an interesting math problem.
Read the question carefully. Grab a pencil and a calculator or tablet, and let's solve and verify the answer together.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem.
Let's solve this equation step by step. First, we simplify inside the brackets. 4 raised to the power 4, all raised to 4, becomes 4 raised to 16. Again, applying the power rule, 4 raised to 16 raised to 4 becomes 4 raised to 64. So the equation now becomes 4 raised to 64, all raised to x equals 64. Now we write 64 in terms of base 4. 64 is equal to 4 raised to 3. As both sides have the same base, 4, when bases are equal, we compare the exponents. We get 64x equals 3. Solving for x, we have x equals 3 over 64. Now let's verify the answer by substituting x equals 3 over 64. Multiplying the exponents, the 64 cancels out, leaving 4 raised to 3. 4 raised to 3 equals 64. Left-hand side equals right-hand side. Solving for x, we have x equals 3 over 64. Therefore, the solution is correct and verified.
So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.